having a family around. So that way, I think like it makes you a stronger person and more independent.
Yes, it is difficult. One thing is that, of course, the most important thing is it is expensive. And then, as you say, there's this attachment. We send them outside somewhere, away from us. Of course, those difficulties are there.
पढ़ाई के दौरान कुछ क्षण ऐसे भी आते हैं जब ये विद्यार्थी एकाकीपन महसूस करते हैं। अपने करीबी संबंधियों की याद उन्हें बरबस उदास कर देती है और आंखें नम हो जाती हैं।
There's so many times I feel very homesick also. I miss my own people. There are 10 of us in the family. I did my schooling from Shillong. I did my 10 plus 2 from Madras, and I did my MBBS from Madhya Pradesh, and now here I am in JNU doing my community health.
जिंदगी की इस उथल-पुथल और अनजाने सफर को तय करते हुए इन नागा युवाओं को कुछ कड़वी सच्चाइयों से भी दो चार होना पड़ता है, लेकिन इन कारणों से ये कभी हतोत्साहित नहीं होते।
According to a latest study, it says that 60 to 70% of India's health system is being like you can say catered to by the private, and only hardly 30 by the government, or you can say the public system. And about 60% of India's population, they are either at or below the poverty line. So the people who are at the helm of the affairs, they make policies not in the interest of the masses, but on their own interest.
शिक्षा की अहमियत को समझना, अपने परिवेश को जानना इनके लिए बहुत महत्व रखता है।
Basically, during those times, the politicians, they were quite truthful, and they were the people who really built Nagaland. Whatever they made, whatever infrastructure, those are the same infrastructure from the government side. You see today also. The problem of Nagas are the problem of India.
If I am simply an art graduate from my village, I have no place there. The village will say, your knowledge, you please go away from here. You have no, unless you can say you will contribute. Village will require managers, who can manage that economy. And I think that is coming. Only thing that I can foresee is that the passage is not going to be so smooth. There are going to be ups and downs, there are going to be upsets, and I am only one of those, like my colleagues who belong to Nagaland, some of us, we have decided that we will not simply worry about it. We have to respond now to a future challenge. We have to respond now and produce a management system, an education system, which will be in conformity with the future demand.
इनकी अपनी संस्कृति है, जिसे जिंदा और मजबूत रखने के लिए ये लगातार अपने प्रदेश के लोगों से मिलते रहते हैं।
एम्प्लॉयमेंट एश्योरेंस स्कीम भितर পৰা কিবা কাম বিচাৰি দিবি না
ও ছোকরা তুমি কিতাবে রেডিও লাগ খবর না শুনে নাকি হ্যাঁ সদায় দুস্তি দিনতে একটা রেডিও প্রোগ্রাম আছে
কিন্তু তুমি তো কোন প্রাইভেট তুমি के काम न दे।
अपनी मातृभाषा में प्रसारित होने वाले कार्यक्रमों की रिकॉर्डिंग में बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लेते हैं, ताकि अपनी सृजनात्मक तृष्णा को भी संतुष्ट कर सकें। और क्यों न करें, आखिर लोक संगीत और नृत्य इनके जीवन का महत्वपूर्ण और अभिन्न अंग जो है।
লাগা মেহনত পড়া আগে তে যাই যাবো
পেটো খান বস্তি কে সুন্দর বোনা বলি
সই যাই যাবো বস্তি কে নতুন লাগা খুঁজিতে।
In fact, they do very well. You find them very vibrant, very willing to take part in the corporate life of an institution if we make them feel a little at home. For example, just a couple of months ago, we had all the associations combined of the Northeast, and all they wanted was an auditorium in which to hold their function. And the politeness, the ability to accommodate was astonishing. They were so willing to do whatever you asked them to do to accommodate. It was really, they were very affectionate also. And just this small gesture of giving them an auditorium for 2 days made them extremely happy. Now that just shows that how much their aspirations are to come to Delhi, to study here and to do well, because they see this as a road to doing well.
We are known for headhunting culture in the olden days, and we are going through this transition phase where we are confused with many things, many new things coming up, and so like we are developing. Like 180 years back, we were living in jungle, and an American missionary came and they started school and things like that. And if I reflect back this 80 years of development in Nagaland, it is really, really fast. You can compare with the fastest development that is taking place anywhere in the world.
आज नागालैंड शिक्षा के दौर में लगातार आगे बढ़ रहा है, परंतु आधुनिक शिक्षा कैसी हो, ये एक प्रश्न चिन्ह उभरने लगा है। आखिर रोजगार का स्वरूप व समाज की जरूरतें बदलने जो लगी हैं।
Today, education in Nagaland has come to a stage where a qualitative shift is required, a very major shift is required. A mere tinkering with that process is not going to help. For example, you cannot close down schools, but you can certainly affect the content of education and bring that content to such a stage that it subserves your vision of the economic future of the people.
21वीं सदी में हमें जरूरत है एक ऐसे समाज की जो इस तथ्य पर विश्वास करे कि किसी भी राज्य की प्रगति व उन्नति में कठिन परिश्रम व ईमानदारी ही कारगर सिद्ध होती है। आज के मौजूदा हालात बहुत ही जटिल हैं और इन हालात में आने वाली शताब्दी में नागालैंड का स्वरूप कैसा होगा, ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा। किंतु ये भी सत्य है कि सच्चाई, मेहनत और निष्ठा पर आधारित आपसी प्यार व घनिष्ठ संबंधों से जुड़ा हुआ समाज इस युवा वर्ग की भविष्य की परिकल्पना है। अगर ऐसा हो जाए तो वो दिन दूर नहीं जब ये पूरब की धूप अपने प्रकाश से केवल नागालैंड ही नहीं बल्कि समस्त भारत को आलोकित कर देगी।
Waiting for the chariot, 'cause I'm ready to go. I'm gonna ride the chariot in the morning, Lord. I'm gonna ride the chariot in the morning, Lord. I'm getting ready for the judgment day, my Lord, my Lord. I'm gonna ride the chariot in the morning, Lord. I'm gonna ride the chariot in the morning, Lord. I'm getting ready for the judgment day, my Lord, my Lord.
Are you ready, my sister?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I'm waiting for the chariot, 'cause I'm ready to go. Ride in the chariot to see my Lord. Ride in the chariot